Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make your Flipboard account private. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open the Flipboard app on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. You'll see this page on your screen, which is the home page of the app. From here, you'll have to go to your profile. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach your profile page, you'll have to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then on the settings page, tap on edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, you'll be directed to this page, and here at the bottom of the screen you can see this option private profile. If you simply swipe that toggle button to the right, you'll see this pop-up menu. Here all you have to do is tap on make private option. After you're done, tap on the save option at the top right corner. Now you can rest assured that your profile has been made private. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.